66 million years ago, in a single moment, the reign of the dinosaurs ended. A massive asteroid slammed into Earth, wiping out more than 75% of all life. But this wasn't the end of the story. It was the beginning of an even greater one. How did Earth recover after the dinosaurs disappeared? And how did life rise again from the ashes? Let's travel back to the moment when everything was destroyed. The world goes dark. When the asteroid hit Chicxulub, billions of tons of dust and sulfur shot into the atmosphere. Sunlight vanished. Temperatures dropped by 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. 2. Catastrophic collapse. Plants died globally. Marine food chains collapsed. Animals starved in the freezing darkness. 3. Unexpected survivors. Not the strongest creatures survived, but the smallest and most adaptable. Early birds. Small mammals. Crocodiles. Turtles. Insects. Hardy plants. The age of dinosaurs ends, but a new chapter begins. The first green returns. As dust settled and sunlight returned, the first plants to rebound were ferns, grasses, pine-like trees. These plants rebuilt the foundation of Earth's ecosystems. 2. Explosion of small animals. With plants returning, food chains revived. Small creatures, birds, mammals, reptiles, began to multiply rapidly. 3. A world without giant rulers. For the first time in tens of millions of years,
creatures,
the Earth belonged to small, fast, adaptable creatures.
Speed.
The age of giants was over.
This vast, open landscape of the early Permian is home to creatures like the Prodorosaurus.
Why mammals thrive. Warm-blooded, with fur right-pointing arrows survive cold. Better care of offspring. Larger brains. Mostly nocturnal right-pointing arrow avoid danger. Flexible diets. 2. 5 million years later, mammals grew from tiny mouse-sized creatures into cat-sized and dog-sized animals. Early forms of primates, hoofed animals, herbivores, carnivores, began to appear. With dinosaurs gone, mammals finally had room to evolve. 1. Earth becomes a greenhouse. Around 10 million years after the extinction, global temperatures rose dramatically. The planet became much hotter than today. 2. Rainforests cover the Earth. Thick forests expanded from pole to pole. This warm, humid world supported early primates, large herbivores, first powerful mammalian predators. Earth was teeming with new life. One, 20 to 30 million years later, mammals evolved into giants to fill the ecological roles dinosaurs left behind. Paraceratherium, a hornless rhino, 5 meters tall, 15 tons. Andrewsarchus, one of the largest land predators of its time. Early elephants and big cats. 2. Oceans flourished too. Marine life rebounded spectacularly. And most importantly, the first ancestors of whales appeared. Life on Earth reached new levels of diversity.
Welcome to the Eocene, where life is teeming in this shallow, muddy swamp.
"60 million years after the dinosaurs vanished, the first true primates emerged. From them evolved apes, hominins, and eventually Homo sapiens. Modern humans are a very recent species, only 300,000 years old. But we have reshaped the Earth more dramatically than any creature before. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't the death of life. It was a reset, a chance for Earth to rebuild, reinvent, and evolve. Without that asteroid, the world we know, and even we ourselves, might never have existed. Earth recovered, life thrived, and the story is still being written today. What period of Earth's history should we explore next? Comment below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's history, don't forget to like, subscribe, And turn on the notification bell. More amazing prehistoric stories are coming soon.